Hey guys, I am finally back, doing well, operation went well, everything like that. So thank you to everyone for reaching out, asking if I'm okay and stuff on Instagram and things. That was really sweet. Today we're going to do a little bit of a fun video. I do have like 3 witch casket boxes that are just so behind, but my last video was a witch casket one. I don't want to bore people with that kind of thing. So today we're going to do just a little silly fun one, and I'm going to show you my collection of BumBumz. Now, if you haven't heard of them before, they're from the same people that made Squishmallows, which were like a soft toy, and these are kind of the same. They're just stupid faced soft toys that have like a little beanie thing in them, and they're like really weird objects, so food items, household items, stuff like that. I will show you in a second. So they all come with a little tag and a sticker like this. Some of them I've left the tags on, some of them I've taken them off and kept them. They sell them in the UK, America, Canada, Australia, not sure of other countries. They're just the ones that I've purchased from, so I know they sell them in those countries. If you are in the UK, they sell them in Argos, Sainsbury's, Asda, Tesco, Smiths, Amazon, B&M, loads of different places. So there is lots of places that you can get them from. Some are exclusive to other countries though, so you either have to buy them from the other country's Amazon, or you've got to buy them on like eBay and Vinted and things for more money. Gary started this addiction for me because when I was ill one time, he bought me one of them from Asda. He started my obsession out with this little guy. So I actually don't remember what this one was called. We call him Brock though. It was something that started with a B, like Bruce or Barry or something, but I feel like Brock would have been a better name for him because he's a broccoli. So this is the first one, Brock. They come in a few different size variants as well. So I only have the 7.5 inch, which is this one, and then the 4.5 inch ones, which are these ones, but they do also do bigger ones, which I don't have. So yeah, this was the one that started this whole thing, and probably one of my favorite ones, just in a sentimental kind of way. So that is Brock. Then next, another one that I got in the UK, I think this one was from Morrison's. This is Timothy Toast. They all come with like a little sticker and a little card that tells you about them and stuff. I don't have everyone's card though, unfortunately, so I can't tell you like the little stories and things. But yeah, this is Timothy Toast. He is a 4.5 inch, and they are just super fluffy. And he's got like a little holographic face, like a jam splat or something on his face. So that is what he looks like. Then next, out of the same collection and also from Morrison's, was this one. She is called Patty, and she is pancakes. Like a little stack of pancakes. She's got a butter and syrup splat on top. So cute. I don't know if it's really showing up great on camera because she's like a white colour, but again, she is probably one of my favourite ones just because she's so stupid looking. The more stupid they are and random that they are, the more I like them for some weird reason. But yeah, this is little Patty. Then next, another big one. This one I actually bought from Australia, and he is called Bennett. He is a blue cheese chicken wing. He's got little blue cheese pants on, like a dip. And then this is his little chicken bone up here at the top. This one is really understuffed for some reason. Like, there's hardly any stuffing in him, but he is very cute though. I do prefer the smaller ones just because their face is so like small and stupid. I feel like these bigger ones aren't as cutesy looking, but I still love him though. Very cute. So that is Bennett. Then next we have this one. This one I did buy off Vinted in the UK, but I think he originally came from like Thailand or the Philippines or something like that. He is a very exotic one. He's a little succulent and his name is Stew. He does need some of the fluff around his little face cutting because sometimes it moves and like hides his face, but he is so cute. Definitely the smallest one I have, like compared to some of the other 4.5 inch ones. He is just a teeny tiny little baby. He's so sweet. So that is Stew the Succulent. Then next we have this one. So this is Sam the Storm Cloud. Again, I got this one in the UK. They do these weather ones in the UK. There's like a moon, a sun, a rainbow, stuff like that. But I just thought this little moody storm cloud with his little lightning bolt was really cute. He is really nicely stuffed. He's like super squishy. A very nice one to like sleep with, like put your head on and stuff. So that one is Sam in the 7.5 inch. Then next, another one I showed a little earlier. This is in the same like breakfast bums category as the pancakes patty and the Timothy toast, and this one is called Sunday. I feel like it's a little bit of a weird name because usually they rhyme, like Timothy toast, patty pancake. Sunday milk doesn't really go to me. I feel like they could have called her something cuter than that. But she was one of my favourites that I really wanted, and I looked everywhere for. In the end, I think we found her in like an Asda or something. She's got little tiny stitched strawberries like embroidered down here in the corner. Little strawberry milk. That'll be why she's called Sunday. It's literally just clicked in my brain. She's called Sunday because she's strawberry milk. Okay, fair enough. So she's got like a little pink and white cow print on her. It says milk up here with a little strawberry. Super cute. So that one is Sunday. Then next we have another big one, and this is Tim Tempura. Tim Tempura? I feel like I'm saying that really weird, but you get what I mean. The little shrimps with the batter on them. So he's got a little shrimp tail at the top. Again, a very understuffed one. I feel like I need to add some stuffing into him. He's a little floppy. But he came from Liverpool. We were out one day shopping and I got him in Smith's in Liverpool. So they do these like takeaway food ones, and he is one of those. Again, the cutest. I love these little ones that have the things sticking out of the head. So that is Tim. Then we have this one. Now this one came from American Amazon. I had to buy the whole pack of all the vegetables just to get this damn mushroom. He is called Stan Shroom, and he is actually very overstuffed. He is like hard, he is that stuffed up. He's kind of like Stew in the size wise, definitely one of the smaller ones, but I feel like I need to take some of his stuffing out because he's just rock hard. Very cute though. Again, I think this is one of Gary's favourite ones. I'm not really sure why. I think just because he's, again, so stupid looking. But that is Stan. Then next we have what I like to call a little family, because these are two of my favourite ones, so I had to get the small and the big one. I do kind of prefer the small one just because she's absolutely adorable and tiny, but this big one is also really pretty. So this is Cotton Candy Chloe. She is super fuzzy, like a little yeti, all different pastel-y colours, pink, yellow, blue, purple, a little bit of teal kind of coloured, and then she's got a fuzzy pink face and this little like stick which looks like a unicorn horn, but I think it's kind of like you're supposed to be holding the candy floss. This is her baby. She's also called Chloe, obviously. And I don't know what collection she's from. Oh, she's from the Sugar Bums. So you could also get a macaroon, an ice cream sandwich, an ice cream, a s'mores. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that, but there's lots of different Sugar Bum ones of those. Where did I get these from? This one I got on a website in the UK, but she sold out really fast. I'm not sure what the website was. This one I got off Vinted from America. I don't think they do the small version in the UK here yet of these ones, but I love those ones. They are so cute. So that is Chloe. And then we've got 3 left. So we have this one, which is called, what was she called? She's from the Sweet Bums like Valentine collection, and she's called Megan. So Megan Mug, I guess, because she's got like a little handle. And I think this is supposed to be whipped cream on the top with sprinkles, like a little hot chocolate or something. She is a very pretty one, very girly with her like pink and glitter and fluff and hearts and stuff. So that is Megan. And then another Valentine's one. Oh, she was from America Amazon. I don't know if I said that or not. And then another Valentine's one. This is Casey Cookie. So just a little heart-shaped cookie with little heart like sprinkles, icing on her. And then my very last one, which is the newest one I just got. This one was also from America. They do the larger size of this one in the UK, but I really just wanted the little baby one. This is Phoenix Pepper, just a little pepper pot. He's so stupid and cute. They also do a salt, which I don't know if I might need the salt to go with him, maybe. He's got like a little glittery top sprinkle part. I just love how stupid they are. Like, who wants a pepper teddy? Me, apparently. But yeah, that is Phoenix. So yeah, that was all of my BumBumz that I had to show you. I know it was just like a stupid little video, but I thought it was a bit more fun and interesting to come back with than another witch casket that I just done on my last video. Hopefully I should be here doing my one video a week on a Saturday or a Sunday now, like usual again. I still have the neck issue. We're going to a specialist soon about that. I don't know, but my operation went okay. It is Halloween haul time soon, which is, I'm so excited. I know it's only May, but they start coming out in like June, July time. So fingers crossed it will soon be Halloween haul time for all of you Halloween lovers. I hope you liked the video anyway. If you did, please subscribe and I will see you soon. Bye guys.